come and join me on a little POV in the 330D E46 BMW. She's a 3 litre 6-cylinder diesel. Oh, she's bloody handsome, telly. So yeah, we're going to go for a little bit of a POV night drive with you guys. Hopefully the video comes out okay. Oh, we're going to go for a nice easy cruise. Mate, she sounds awesome, not going to lie. She's good on fuel as well, like, she sounds awesome. All clear up. Oh, I was trying to get the GoPro to stay, it's not staying. Yeah, I thought I'd do a little POV night drive in the E46 BMW. She's a 2001 automatic, lovely and smooth. Like, you don't feel the gear changes at all. And she sounds nice as well. She has buttons on. Nah, she's alright to be fair. Not gonna lie. Car come in. I think we're recording. Want to see? Guessing we are. Trying to touch the GoPro. Fuck. I touched the GoPro. I fucked it. Ah, so smooth. I guess it's 60 in a minute. So I'll put my foot down a little, go up to 60. But yeah, she's so smooth. We'll shut the window so you get less wind noise. But yeah, it's a 330D, as I said, E46. Thought I'd take you guys for a little nice night drive. So yeah, why not? You would think it's a V8, the sounds of it, like the noises it makes. Like, it reminds me of a V8 when it goes up to like the speeds. She's alright. She does the job. Needs a bit of TLC, but I love her. Yeah, it's a 5-speed auto, good gearbox. Like I said, really smooth. I've not long had the prop Fabian bearing done and the centre support bearing. Like the centre support that supports the bearing. I've also had the donut done because it was going because they always go on these anyway, on these E46s. There's a few rust spots on her, but nothing too bad I can see. It just looks like surface rust. Handbrake actually works. It's quite rare to find a BMW with a working handbrake, but it does work. It's not the best, but she works. Yeah, she needs a lot of TLC. She needs like brake pads doing and discs. I want to get that done soon. But for a BMW, she is nice. She's nice and comfy, nice and smooth. For a 2001 car, like, you don't really get anything that, like, I just love BMWs in general. So I used to have a 120D, but yeah, I just love this car. It's a big step from going from my great big Volvo XC60. Like, it's all leather interior. It's got heated seats. It's an 6 disc. It's either 6 or 8 disc CD player in the boot, and then a tape cassette. But I use my Bluetooth thing for the frequency to play my music, so I can play music through my Bluetooth on my phone. But I am gonna upgrade it so I can have like Apple CarPlay and all that soon. So yeah, I'm looking at one of those screens, and I'm hoping to get one of those screens where I can connect a PlayStation 3 to it. No, PlayStation 2, sorry. That's the sort of screen I want. I've got a big crack. I need to get a new windscreen. Got to get the joint bearing done. The guys at Central Garage have been really helpful. A guy called John helped me out getting it all sorted. So he's going to wait up there for me. If I find a spot to move over, I will, mate. I can't find anywhere. I won't keep you waiting. At the same time, I don't want you to be a copper. Thank you. Thank you, Dacia, Sandero. They're good cars as well. I do like driving them. It's so easy to speed in these cars as well. Like, you keep one eye on the speedo. I hardly touch the throttle and it goes. like just like that, just hardly touch throttle and it goes. The speedo is a bit out, it's like 4 mile an hour out. It's like that in any car anyway, but yeah, she goes alright. She does move when you tell her to. Nice little corner here. Stuff moving around in the back seats as it is. Car lights, so I'm not going to hit as an apex. I could have, but I don't want to. Because I want to be safe, better safe than sorry. Could have been flying down, I don't know. This sharp bend, so I'm not going to try and hit the apex. Even though it's night time, I've got my 4 beams on and all that. It's better safe than sorry. Like, she just moves. She doesn't hang about. Like, she's so smooth, and obviously the camera's out. It'd be better if the camera was sorted and all that under tracking. But no, she drives so smooth. For an old car in 2026, she handles like it's on rails. Like, it's unreal how good she handles. Car coming. Don't know what that was. Sounded nice though. Oh, I saw his car lights. Yeah, just like literally, the handles are like she's on rails. So I do love this car. I'm gonna hit all car lights. I'm not gonna hit as an apex. I was going to, but I've never seen this road so busy at night. What the hell? It's what, 10 o'clock? Night, so makes sense. 10, 11 o'clock night, something like that. Lost track of time. Hopefully the camera quality comes out alright. No, it's Poland lovely. It is a 60 road. I like to be a bit cautious though on the bends, and it's night time, so a badger could run out. I thought that was a car light, it wasn't a street light, but yeah, badgers, animals can come out, you never know, so you always got to take it that little bit easy at night. But yeah, it feels so responsive on the steering as well. It's not too bad, it's not too slow or too quick on the steering. It's just nice and smooth, it's just perfect. Such a smooth car to drive, I love it. I'm not gonna lie, it's really smooth. Now we're going to 30, and now we're in Camborne Town. Bloody handsome. Yeah, it's not too bad. I really hope this is recording and the camera angle's okay. That's my main concerns. But no, it's quite smooth for what she is. Yeah, it's called Camborne. Near enough my hometown, people would say. Bloody handsome. As you can tell, I'm from Cornwall and I got a Cornish accent. I am putting it down a bit, but yeah, it's bloody lovely for here. Like, you get the odd crackheads and people moaning like that, but no, it's not a bad place. Like, the police station's just there. We've not long had a revamp on the police station. So, oh, it's a police. Oh no, it was a police officer. But the police officers are in there are lovely people. They're really helpful, and I'm thankful for them. Like, I really love Camborne Police. I'm really thankful to all the officers that do out like night shifts and all that. Same with the Coast Guards, any emergency services. I'm thankful for them. People just take them all for granted. That's the problem in this day and age. Everyone takes everything for granted. We'll go for a quick cruise through town, I suppose. It's kind of addictive driving this car as well. I get too addictive sometimes. It's night, it's Friday, so there's going to be lots of people on the night out. So we're going to see what the fuck has he got in his head. All the piss heads. Hopefully nothing bad happens. I've got a GoPro on anyway, so if anyone starts anything, I've got a GoPro on. And they'll be like, okay, I'll leave you be. Oh, the piss heads are out. Taxi driver. Yeah, they've like changed Camborne a lot. They've got like these bigger speed bumps to slow everyone down, and they've got rid of tarmac and put tolls down. I don't really like it as much, being honest. Campbelltown's alright though, isn't she? Betty Hanson. Oh. Footpath, but we close. Security guards are out. Sounds so good, little speed bump. It's 20 per hour. Oh, it's 20. I just love the turbo sounds and everything. All the kebab shops are all closing, I suppose, or reopening. Well, he wasn't going to stop. Ouch! I just bottomed out. That up. I guess a 30. Another speed bump. Yes, I use indicators and I'm driving a BMW. So what? It does that because I need to get the centre support bearing done or something. It could be just injectors, I don't know. When I foot to floor, it just jolts. Like that. So I've got to do like half throttle. Yes, Campbell. One of the car guys are up Tesco. I'm going to quick peek before I go back home to bed. I've got a busy day tomorrow. Yes, I didn't drift the roundabout because I'm a good boy. I could have, but I didn't because I'm a good boy. I'm going to take my time just in case boy races a street race and anyone or cyclists, no lights on. That's why I look left and right then, being cautious. I just love the sound of her. She's so smooth as well. Roll up. Ford Fiesta. I do like a Fiesta. They handle really good as well. For a little hot hatch, they are lovely. I was really hoping it's recording. Roundabout. To 40. Also camera twists to it. I love coming through this. It reminds me of Gran Turismo coming up for real. Got a little shortcut, cuts through all the traffic. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Open up the window. You're going to get a lot of wind noise. I better shut that. Start vaping. Vaping's bad for you kids. Don't vape. Oh, it just reminds me of Gran Turismo coming up for real. Remember my speedo's out, so it doesn't matter. Like that. I'm pretty sure my 55 is like 45. It's just weird. It's like really out. Still going to take my time even though it's green light. Some twats might be street racing. You never know. Oops, I'm speeding. I think there's a cop car like literally behind me. Well, that'd be interesting if I get pulled up. Make a cool video. I get pulled over. Imagine. They're going to see a BMW in here, skid marks in the car park, and they're just going to automatically assume I've done it when it wasn't me. Because I wouldn't go drifting because I'm a good boy. That's not a cop car now. It's going to turn around quick. It's turning around quick. And then yeah, we're going to shoot off. Skaters! See, I don't know how to drift. Wish I did. Be cool. But yeah, that was Paul Tesco's. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.